if I may, I'll just read it, and if you all agree, you can take it back and make them again. I motion to accept Holland and Hart as the new legal counsel for NIC with all communication guidance managed by Attorney McKenzie during the transition with the board in June's regular meeting, welcoming Holland and Hart with his service lasting at the board's pleasure. So I think that makes everyone happy.
I think that's reasonable.
So
I think I mean, as with Art, it's not a contract, it's essentially an hourly service. So I think there's no issue with that at all.
Okay, I withdraw the motion.
No change too. Thank you, sir. Trustee Wagner?
I haven't heard anything from trustee.
All I need is a withdraw, and then we'll make them again.
Okay, withdraw.
Thank you, sir. Okay, so the motion that I'm hoping someone will say so moved to is motion to accept Holland and Hart as new legal counsel for NIC with all communication and guidance managed by Attorney McKenzie during the transition with the board in June's regular meeting, welcoming Holland and Hart with his service lasting at the board's pleasure. Say so moved, sir.
So moved.
Thank you. And a second. A second.
I'll second it.
Second. Trustee Zimmerman. Thank you. And I got that right. Okay. Any lasting discussion? Take a deep breath. Let's ask those questions while we got that time. How does this topic of legal counsel vote and advance the mission of NIC? Professional services, these are partners acting in good faith, we expect, and providing orderly transitions. Thank you, Attorney McKenzie, for being willing to do that. And with the targeted date in June. And yeah. How did it help NIC move the needle on student success? So legal advice, as Attorney McKenzie has found out, is you can be quite busy. I am sure Bob will have lots of work ahead of him. So
Hopefully not, actually.
well, yeah, I guess that's true. Hopefully not. So demonstrate support for the president. This is the recommendation of a president. And this is adhering to policies. We have 2 failed RFPs, and we need this service. So without further discussion from fellow trustees, I'm going to call for the vote. I'm going to,
if I may, Mr. Chair, briefly, as I am not speaking for or against the motion, but Trustee Banducci did note that he has not seen a contract or terms or hourly rate, which has been very troubling to the community in my case. And so it appears that a partner in Boise with 31 years may have some interesting contract terms. And so I think in the before June, we should hopefully get that information because what you're voting on tonight is to hire him without any knowledge of those terms.
Well, he'll be hourly, just as you were. So okay. He's not.
Trustee Banducci.
All right. Yeah, I've been down here kind of chewing on this. Art actually articulated some of my thoughts. I have nothing in front of me. I am not comfortable blindly just approving this. I need to see the information, contract rates. I'm not satisfied, and I will not support this tonight.
Be quiet, please. Trustee Banducci, thank you for your honesty. And your concern, I can relate to your concern.
It's not about trust or not. I just have to see it. Reagan said trust but verify. So I need to see some empirical data, some facts. I need to see something here. I have nothing.
Thank you. I think this will, anyway, trustee. Okay, we're going to call for the vote with no further discussion. Okay, we're going to start left to right, if you may. Trustee Corkle?
Yes.
Trustee Zimmerman?
Yes.
Trustee Wagner?
I'm going to say nay because of the paperwork is missing.
Trustee Banducci?
I vote nay.
Chair votes yes, aye, in support. So we will be welcoming our new attorney in June. Motion passes.